How to repost Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can repost Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to repost Instagram Reels, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where what you basically need to do is you want to make sure to, let's say that come to the Reels tab, you find someone's Reels that you want to basically share. Now you cannot directly re-upload this reel, but what you can do is first you can tap the DMs icon and then you can add this to your story. If that is what you're looking for, you can just share this reel to your story so that other people on your reel will be able to find it. But if this is not what you're looking for, instead what you can also do is, let me just discard this, and then you can tap the three dots option, tap on remix, and now when you tap on remix you'll have the option to actually add a simple clip after the original video. So instead you can select that and then select the clip that you want to add. You can also actually add an outro of your Instagram account and so on. After that, just tap on next, and then after you've done that, just add a secondary reel, and after you do that you'll have successfully be able to post someone's reel. This way you can repost Instagram Reels. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.